today's episode, I'll show you two Mason's Congo plants I have. This species is close related to the snake plant or mother-in-law's tongue. It can produce very large leaves that can reach 150 centimeters in height and 25 centimeters in width. The first one is a common variety. I love its dark green leaves with light green pattern. This plant has 3 leaves, and it may take years for it to produce full-size leaves. You may notice that this plant is so root-bound that it distorts the plastic pot. I may need to repot it when it gets warmer. The other one is a variegated variety. It has yellow stripes on its leaves and it is absolutely gorgeous. Just like a snake plant, it is very drought resistant and it can tolerate low light conditions, so it makes it a very good houseplant. However, it is prone to root rot, so please use well-drained soil and water it thoroughly and wait for it completely dry before next watering. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. You can also put your comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.